Hi, my name is John Klein, and today I'm here to tell you a bit about the Rex Riveter. The Rex Riveter is a cost-efficient way to make the riveting process easier without taking up a lot of space. It comes with both the splash anvil and the magnetized cap anvil. It works with the 104 tubular rivets in sizes up to 8/16 of an inch. We're going to try it with the splash anvil first. And you want to make sure your rivet is a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch longer than your piece of leather is. Just put it into the lower chamber. Put your piece of leather in here. And there we go, a perfect splash. All right, so now let's try a cap rivet. First of all, unscrew this nut on the side. Take the bolt out. Take out the splash anvil, take the spring off of it, grab your cap anvil, put the spring onto the cap anvil, slide it down the shaft, put the handle back on, put the nut on. Grab your cap. Since it's magnetized, it should hold into place. Grab your rivet, put it into the lower chamber. And your rivet should be set. As you've seen through this whole video, we have not been pre-punching our leather. Although it's not necessary, pre-punching holes can make the riveting process easier depending on the thickness of leather. I hope this video clears up any questions you had about the Rex Riveter. If you do have any more questions, feel free to contact us or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.